Do this on stream for content. I'm gonna upload a picture. Am I really -3? Like, what? I am not -3. If I'm -3, that means I've never been born. That means I'm still in my mother's tomb. I mean, my mother's womb. My shortest relationship, if you could even call it a relationship, was when I was like 14, I think, on MySpace. Alright, I had a boyfriend. I don't remember his name, but like he asked me out and he broke up with me the next day. I'm like, dude, is this how a heartbreak feels like? I was sad, alright? 1 day relationship. Probably didn't even make it to the 24 hours. He like asked me out at night, and then like the next morning he broke up with me. And I don't even know him that well. I think like I met him like for a week. And he was like, oh, I broke up with my girlfriend. Do you want to be my girlfriend? I was like, okay, sure. Like I didn't know what a boyfriend is, right? I was only like 15, 14. Anything in life, when you really want something, you gotta be persistent. I think that's something I really need to work on, because I don't think I have a lot of persistence. Oh, Yin, does it bother you when guys use the nice guy tactic? Yes. Honestly, whatever you say that you are, you're not. Like, if you say that, oh, I'm a really romantic guy, like, I don't think you're a romantic guy. Instead, I think you're the opposite of what you say. Like, if you say, I'm not like those other guys, then you're exactly like those other guys. I think that like nice guys, they don't have to prove themselves to a girl that they're nice. Like, if you're a nice guy, a girl knows you're a nice guy. If you are really a nice guy, people know you are. You don't have to go out of your way to prove into something. Because when you go out of your way to do something, you're not that. Does that make sense? I feel that the guys that say they're nice guys are usually the ones that aren't given the opportunity to prove it. There's a lot of ways you could prove yourself, like, besides going up to someone and like shaking at them like, I'm a nice person, notice me. Cause when you do that, people tend to like stay further away from you. Like, how should I say this? If we're dating and I go up to you, like, let's say that you, okay, and I go up to you and I'm like, I am not an obsessive girlfriend. I just love you a lot. You don't gotta keep throwing compliments that you label yourself. If someone tells you like, oh, I am not a murderer, I'm a very nice person, I don't ditch anybody. If I just keep complimenting myself, like, it's not a good look. I'm so pretty, or I'm so cute. Like, people are just gonna think that you're so full of yourself, which is the opposite of what you say you are. I am definitely not obsessive. Some girls love dating bad guys though. Yeah, true. Like, I had a thing for bad guys for a long time. That was like my high school days. I was too lazy to blow dry my hair yesterday, and I was like, oh, I'm not gonna sleep at like 12, right? Because I never sleep at 12. So I was just chilling in bed, like watching YouTube, and I fell asleep. I fell asleep like 5 minutes in my YouTube video, and then I woke up my pillow was like wet and my hair was all damp and it was all nappy. Oh, it was the worst thing ever. I can't stop thinking about food. I thought playing League would help, but I'm so hungry. Wait, my friends are back. Oh, wait. Did you guys see that? It just randomly appeared. Oh my gosh, guys, you know this person on my friends list? I've known him like 6-7 years ago. He is my longest League friend ever, and we don't even talk. That's all I wanted to say. I'm to strike up a conversation with them. You're right. You're right. You know what? Today's the day I'm gonna go talk to this man's. I'm gonna say thank you so much for being on my friends list. For like 7 years without deleting me. I appreciate you. Watch, he opens like his PMs and like, what the F is wrong with her? Delete. That would be so sad if he actually deleted me. Maybe he'll be like, you're welcome. And then we could start off a conversation, you know? I'm very glad our friendship went on for this long without even talking. Hehe XD. Delete. You're one of my earliest League friends. We should play sometime again. Thanks, bye, Ubu. Delete. I just want to show him how much I appreciate him. Yo, I'm gonna be so mad if he does. No lie.
A few moments later.
Wait, he still didn't answer. Wait, hold on. Aw, he didn't answer. Okay. Can I kill him? Oh, let me kill you. Let me kill you. Watch, he's gonna like big. Oh. Ow. Wow. I had a heal, man. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, and come back. Oh my god! See? I got hooked. Oh my god. What are you doing, man? You're dead. And now I'm dead. Great. What? Oh, what? Delete. Okay, just kidding. Maybe this is my win. Hello, Timo. How you doing? I'll get this Thresh next time. I'll banish him next time. Yeah, get
I believe
wrecked.
I can.
Or I get back here, boy. Wow, you could do that. Oh my god, he's juking me. Holy shit, he juked me. I'm got juked, bro. That's not cool. Wait. Thresh is gonna steal it. I don't want. No. Yep, I freaking knew it. Oh. Goodbye, Annie. Okay. Oh. GG? Wait, what? Hey, this looks cool. Lol. Wanna see how oily my face is? I'm about to show you. See that?